Hi, I am live now with Naples Fire Rescue. Chief Maria behind me. We are going out. We have a water rescue in place. I'm going to take you there with me as long as I can swim there. This water is cold. All right, here we go. Great, I'm going to turn you guys around now, and we're going to watch this rescue. Are you guys okay? You guys did it! All right, that's a wrap.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.